Dear friends, today we will be talking about money back insurance policy. We will be talking about what is money back insurance policy, its benefits, how to choose one. We will also be giving our recommendations, and FAQs related to the money back insurance policy will also be discussed. Please follow the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. I'll also be providing the link to the website in the description box. And for any queries or suggestions, please comment or email us at info@brainexasia.com. What is money back insurance policy? A traditional insurance plan pays out a lump sum assured in the event of the death of the life insured. The beneficiaries, dependents, nominees of the life insured receive a benefit, which is called a death benefit, if the worst should come to pass for the insurance holder. A money back insurance plan pays out the same maturity benefits in the form of several guaranteed survival benefits, which are staggered evenly throughout the course of the policy. So, a money back insurance policy is an endowment plan with the benefit of regular liquidity. So now let us discuss the benefits of money back life insurance policy. It provides insurance cover during the policy term, pays out regular benefits throughout the term, works as an insurance policy as well as a long-term investment with good returns, provides tax benefit, less risky than other investments offering similar returns like mutual funds, enables long-term savings and regular income, ensures that amounts are disbursed regularly. Some plans extend the insurance coverage, guaranteed death benefits even after the maturity date and the last survival period, up to when the life insured attains the age of 100. There are optional riders that cover things like specific illnesses, critical illnesses, disabilities, etc. Now let us discuss how to choose a money back policy. Choosing the right money back policy is key to ensuring individuals receiving the maximum benefits from a particular policy. When choosing a money back plan, individuals should look at the policy tenure. The average tenure for a money back policy is around 20 years. We have also given our recommendations, which also please review. As money back policies pay policyholders a survival benefit, prospective policyholders should ascertain the percentage of the sum assured that will be paid out in installments. The amount should be enough to cover any expenses the policyholder might have. The type of investments available through the investment component of the policy should be looked over. Policyholders should also verify the duration of the payouts being made over the course of the policy term as survival benefits. Some plans pay policyholders every 5 years. Others have a different timeline depending on the policy tenure. Policyholders should also check to see if the money back policy offers tax benefits. Some plans do not offer a tax benefit if 20% of the sum assured is being provided as survival benefit. So this brings us to our recommendation section. Now in this section we usually recommend one of the policies from amongst whatever is available in the market. Our recommendation for the money back insurance policy is the Kotak Life, which has launched its most unique and first time in the industry, a unique money back plan exclusively for children. Now in this section, let us compare the unique money back plan of Kotak Life with the usual money back plan in the industry. The first point is that in the usual money back plan, we get money back every 5 years. In Kotak Life, we get money back every year from second year onwards. Now, the second point is that get 25% cashback from 5th year interval. In Kotak Life, get 30% cashback from second year onwards every year. The third point is benefits gets over in 20 years, whereas in Kotak Life, it covers till 75 years of your life. Now that's great. Now fourth point is maturity benefit is balance of sum assured plus terminal bonus. Now in Kotak Life, maturity bonus is of 69.87 lakhs. So the fifth point is future premiums may or may not be waived off for your child in case of death. Now in Kotak Life, in case of death of the premium payer, all the future premiums are waived off and benefits continue for your child. Now following are 5 unique benefits of Kotak Life's unique money back plan. Now let's understand that. Get money back every year for 70 years of your life. Take 30% of annual premium every year for the second year onwards. Pay 11 lakhs and get total benefits of more than 94 lakhs. That is also totally tax-free. Avail tax benefit of section 80C and 1010D. In case of death of the premium payer, all future premiums are waived off and all benefits will be given to your child, and that is guaranteed. There is more to it with the Kotak Life feature of unfair trading advantage compared to any other investment. First, minimum 10 times of insurance cover. Second, benefit of waiver of premium in case of death of premium payer. Third is tax benefit under section 80C and 1010D. Now let me explain what is under section 80C. Premiums that you pay towards a life insurance policy qualify for a deduction up to 1.5 lakhs of rupees. While section 1010D makes income on maturity tax-free if the premium is not more than 10% of the sum assured or the sum assured is at least 10 times of the premium. The fourth point is EEE benefit. Benefit on premiums paid on bonus and maturity. Fifth is highest liquidity. Money back from the second year onwards. Here are some usually asked questions on money back policy FAQs. The first question is the amount received through a money back policy taxable? If the premium paid is more than 10% of the sum assured for policies purchased after 1st of April 2012, the amount received is taxable. Is there a penalty if I do not pay my premium for my money back policy on time? If the premium amount is not paid within the grace period allotted for the same, the policy lapses and benefits associated with the policy cease. If the premiums have been paid for a minimum of 3 years, a paid up value for a reduced sum is created. Can I revive a money back policy? Money back policies can be revived within 2 years from the date of the last premium was paid. Can I transfer my money back policy? As of now, it is not possible to transfer a money back policy. The policy can be surrendered if desired. How do I surrender my money back policy? A money back policy can be surrendered on its attaining cash value after payment of 3 years worth of premiums. The policy will have a surrender value based on the policy tenure and the number of premiums paid. Can NRIs buy the money back policy in India? Yes, non-resident Indians, people of Indian origin, can buy a life insurance plan in India. Foreign Exchange Management Act, that is FEMA, allows NRIs to buy any plan that meets their requirements of protecting themselves and their family, whether he is currently residing in India or not. This brings us to the end of our today's session. Please do subscribe to our channel and like our video. This will help us to bring you more meaningful and useful tips to help you and your family become financially independent and balanced. I'll be providing the link to the website, and for any queries or suggestions, please feel free to comment or email us at info@brainxasia.com. Thank you.